Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today you've caught me on wash day and I'm going to try out some new products. So the products that I'm trying are actually the shampoo and conditioner from Hairfinity. You guys have probably heard of their vitamins before, the Hairfinity vitamin line. And did you know they have products as well? So this is actually my first time trying them out. They've obviously released them because the vitamins are going to help you grow your hair, and then once it's out in the world it needs to be protected by the products that you use. So they've come out with their own line. I guess they don't want to just send the baby hair out into the world and then not have the products there to protect it. So I'm happy they've come out with a line like this. Let's quickly talk about the Gentle Cleanse shampoo. This is silicone free and sulfate free, so it's going to be a lot gentler on our hair, hence gentle cleanse, than traditional shampoos are. We spoke about this on my channel before. When things are sulfate free, they don't really lather up. So it does warn you about this, and this little card that comes with the packaging, it does say not to expect a lather. Don't be alarmed, don't be worried, it's still going to cleanse your hair. Then they've also included some hair boosting ingredients like biotin and chamomile flower extracts, which are actually going to protect your hair from breakage and prevent dryness, all of that good stuff that we want. So I've got high hopes for this. Let me just give it a little sniff. This is my first impressions after all. That smells so good. It's really sweet. It kind of smells like a perfume. I don't think it has any perfume in it though. It smells real good. And they do also have their own exclusive capital sauna complex, which sounds fancy. There's a lot of science involved in this. It says it's a powerful combination that encourages healthier and stronger hair. So fingers crossed that that works. At the moment they've ticked all the boxes. Everything seems to be good. They've got a thumbs up from me already. And they say that this is going to help you to achieve your desired length faster because your hair's not going to break off. It's not going to be too dry, anything like that. So fingers crossed this works. The next one is the Balanced Moisture Conditioner. This little guy right here is free from parabens, sulfates, silicones, petroleum, mineral oils and synthetic dyes. What has it got in it? So on this little slip that comes right here, it says that this is designed to reduce split ends, reduce frizz and make it easier with detangling, and obviously it's going to moisturize your hair as well. These both have little instructions in them as well. I'm not sure if you can see from all the way over there, but it's quite cool that these both feature curly hair. So I don't know if Hairfinity is a brand that is especially catered towards curly haired girls. So I think if it is one that like crosses a whole spectrum, I think it's pretty cool that they've got curly haired girls on their packaging. It's really late right now. Like I should not really even be washing my hair right now. It's 9 PM. No, it's later than that. Don't be too late, please. It's 10. It's 9:58, which means I'm gonna have to stay up really late for my hair to dry, but I'm gonna do it because this is what my hair looks like right now. And I'm going out tomorrow. It's my friend's birthday. Should really have had second day curls tomorrow. That would have been best, but my hair's probably still a bit wet. So this is the aftermath of the Czar tutorial. So I've got straight bits all over the place. Yeah, we need to wash.
So I'm taking myself and my stretched out hair to the bathroom, where I'm obviously going to get into the shower. The water is immediately going to make my curls revert back to their usual texture, so I can make up for the video that I missed where my curls reverted back after I straightened it. So you can see it right here. So I take my Hairfinity shampoo. It's got a silky texture, and as soon as I put this on my head I kind of realised, you know what, this thing is kind of lathering up. It said it wouldn't lather, and what do you know, it gave me a pretty good lather. I think it was kind of overcompensating. It was a little bit worried that it wasn't going to lather up as much as people thought it would, but it lathered up a decent amount, so I was happy with that. My hair feels real clean. I'm just going to work that over my scalp using my fingertips, just going to remove any dirt, any gunk, any product buildup, anything like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out. Then I went ahead and took the conditioner onto my palm. This is a decent sized amount, and I'm going to use this on one side of my hair. So I'm just going to work that through from the lengths of my hair right down to the ends, and I'm going to try to avoid the roots because I don't want to use too much conditioner on my roots. So then I go ahead and I take something the same size onto the other side, and then I use that to help me detangle. So I'm using this little tangle teaser. It worked really well. It gave me a lot of slip, and I was able to get the comb through. I was able to brush my hair through, and I didn't feel like I was pulling or tugging or anything. It felt really slippery, and it was really easy to do. So it worked well for that, and my hair felt so moisturized even after I took this off. So to style my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and use the As I Am leave-in conditioner. So I apply that in sections all over my hair. Then I went ahead and I used the Canon Curl Activating Moisturizer as my curl cream. So this helps to define my curls. So I just ran that through my hair. I combed it through to make sure that it was evenly dispersed. Then I felt like I had a bit too much product on my hair, so I just ran my hands through and took off the excess. And that is my hair routine. So then I went ahead and scrunched it because I've got a lot of excess moisture in my hair still. So I just scrunch it just to make sure that the curls are going to be bouncy and defined. And just to make sure that there's not a lot of excess product that's going to make it take ages to dry or weigh it down. And just to kind of reduce my drying time. So I'll see you guys when my hair is dry.
So this is my hair on the next day after letting it dry completely. Obviously I've got some styling products in. It's actually the As I Am leave-in conditioner and the Canon Curl Activating Moisturizer. So I can't really attribute this wash and go directly to the Hairfinity products, but I can say that my hair felt really clean. I was actually surprised because the shampoo warned me that it wasn't going to lather, and then it kind of lathered. Like, you guys saw it. It kind of lathered, so I was surprised by that. It left my hair feeling really clean. As the shampoo was on, it did feel kind of drying, but then to be fair, I was filming it and I wanted to make sure that you guys saw the lather, so maybe I was shampooing for a bit too long. I don't know, maybe I should have just rinsed it out sooner. The dry feeling didn't last. As soon as I rinsed it out, the dry feeling left and my hair just felt clean. It smelled really good, and I'm just really impressed because, but another thing that I did notice while I was using these is that both of these products are cruelty free, so that makes it a huge winner in my book. Like, I would much rather use products that are cruelty free and maybe just aren't as effective or something than products that test on animals, full stop right there. Like, if you test on animals, I'm going to choose any other product over you. So I'm really happy that they don't test on animals. The Balanced Moisture Conditioner, I felt like that, like when you put it on your hair, like it did kind of disappear a little bit. So I used this much. You guys can see that. You know, I guess that's not too much considering that I do have a lot of hair, and this bottle is a pretty decent size. It's 355ml, not one of those tiny tiddly little 250ml bottles that you see sometimes. I didn't have to use too much, and I was able to detangle my hair. My hair felt really smooth, really slippery, so I wasn't worried that I was going to be ripping my hair out through the tangles or anything like that. I was actually able to detangle my hair at ease using this, so they ticked that box. And I've just seen that you can actually use this as a deep moisture treatment as well. If you use a plastic cap and leave it on your head for 15 minutes with this product on, then you can use it as a deep conditioning product, and I have got every confidence that it will be very conditioning because it felt really conditioning when it was on. And then when I rinsed it out, this is something that really stood out to me. When I rinsed this out, my hair felt so smooth and so sleek. Like, it was really insane. Like, I rinsed it out, there's no conditioner on it. Why does my hair feel so sleek and so smooth and so soft still? Like, it really left that feeling in my hair, like it had clearly done something good to my hair. So I was really impressed with that feeling. So that is my quick little review of the Hairfinity shampoo and conditioner. I will be using it again. Hopefully I can get through the entire bottle without losing it or accidentally throwing it in the bin or something like that. I don't know, this is me that we're talking about, so it could happen. So yes, I really like them. I'll leave them linked down below. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make videos every single day this month. We've missed a few days and it's ended up working out to about 6 videos a week on average, something like that. So turn on your notifications so that you don't miss it. Catch me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!